Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 5th, 2025, we're analyzing USDCHF, combining the latest news with technical chart data. Recent news indicates the USD remains depressed due to a weaker dollar, managing to hold just above the 0.8200 mark. We'll also consider how market sentiment, Swiss economic health, and SNB actions influence the franc. Let's start by examining the daily chart for a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a downtrend over the past few months, with recent candles showing some consolidation. Notice the sharp decline in early April 2025, followed by a period of sideways movement. The pair seems to be struggling to break above the 0.9200 level, which appears to be a significant resistance point. However, it's also finding support around the 0.8000 level. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at more recent price action. We will narrow down the timestamp to display the most recent range of candles. On the hourly chart, we observe some volatility with price swings. There seems to be a struggle to maintain any sustained upward momentum. This might correlate with the news suggesting a weaker USD due to concerns over trade policies and geopolitical risks. Notice how the intraday bias remains neutral, staying in a range below 0.8333 as the website Action Forex says. Now let's examine the 15-minute chart to analyze potential short-term trading opportunities, focusing on the latest candles. On the 15-minute chart, we can observe the immediate price action more clearly. We see some consolidation around the 0.8240 level, followed by some choppy trading. The short-term trend appears to be slightly bearish at the moment, but we need to watch for any potential reversals. Looking ahead, key price levels to watch include the immediate resistance around 0.8250 and support around 0.8230. To recap, important levels are resistance at 0.9200 and 0.8333, and support around 0.8200 and 0.8000. Given the current news and chart data, the likelihood of further downside pressure is somewhat high, perhaps with a 60% probability, especially if the USD remains weak due to ongoing economic uncertainty. A sustained break below 0.8200 would reinforce this bearish scenario. Conversely, a strong break above 0.8333 could signal a potential reversal with a 40% likelihood. Be sure to monitor upcoming economic data releases and any news regarding U.S. trade policies, as these will likely influence USDCHF in the short term.